What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna go over Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently sitting at 51 cents. There's a fly in here. Karate Kid. We're down 1.9 on the day. We're seeing market cap 4.74 billion. 24-hour volume 212 million. So up to the charts. So I'm gonna zoom out a little bit on Matic so I can show you guys what I'm looking at on the higher time frames. So we have a 5-wave move leading diagonal into a wave 1, potentially coming down A, B, C into a wave 2, and within the wave C is 5 waves. The wave 4 broke into the wave 1, so it has to be ending diagonal, and in ending diagonal, each wave consists of A, B, C's. So potentially came down in a wave A, pulled back into B, and now you're looking to come down in the wave C, which is a 5-wave move. So we're going to zoom back in on the 4-hour chart. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations. So we're looking at a wave 4 pullback, the micro count 1, 2, come down to wave 3. Quickly pop open my RSI here. I think we may have a little bit of a bullish divergence on the RSI and on the money flow. Let me see here. Yeah, small divergence, money flow divergence. So we may get a bounce in a wave 4. So if we bounce, look for a rejection in between about 0.534 and 0.543 and in a micro 4 before creating a lower low in a wave 5, because usually the wave C will break the wave A low, which is down here at 49 cents. I think that's the likely scenario. If we come all the way up, we start to break these local highs, then we can flip bullish. But as of right now, I do think we may see a little bit of a bounce before continuation down, or we come down a little bit lower to complete the 3, we bounce in a 4, we come down in a wave 5. That's what I'm looking at for the price of Matic. On the daily chart, we're back underneath the daily EMAs. We failed to hold them, and your next major level of support here is about 44 cents. We are printing that bullish divergence. Money is flowing back in, so we could turn around relatively soon. Looking at the price of Ethereum, same thing. I think we have bullish divergence on the RSI as well as the money flow on the hourly. I think it's likely we see a little bit of a bounce soon and potentially a micro 4 before coming down in a wave 5, break that wave A low, and turning around maybe in the 1500 area. If we zoom out and we look at our level of support, we open this up. I've dropped in this yellow box here. If we scroll back here, you can see that we do have a little bit of support right here. Yeah, here's your resistance level. Let me go even further back, pull this out. So we did bounce in this area right around 1450, 1449. We bounced here as well. We bounced right here, so that could give an opportunity of support to bounce. We may not break that low. The first bullish signal would be coming up and breaking that down sloping trend line. Until then, I'll remain out of a trade for Ethereum until I can see some bullish signals. We are watching the support of this ascending triangle. We are breaking it currently. If it continues to break and we break down, we see a retest, we get rejected, that's quite negative and could lead to deeper retracement. But if we can get a bounce or we fake out to the downside, we push back up into the pattern, then there is still the opportunity for the bullish scenario, as we are printing that bullish divergence on the money flow as well as the RSI. We'll have to see how that plays out. So in the short term, a short-term bounce and then a lower low, and same for Matic, short-term bounce and then a lower low in a wave 5 in my opinion, or we break down from here and then we see a short-term bounce and a continuation down towards 45 cents, 46 cents for Matic. That's what I'm looking at. Hope it's helpful. If it is, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN for all my US Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $100, you get $20 for free to trade with. $1,000, you get $200 for free to trade with. My subscribers only. My signals are $10 a month. For daily crypto analysis, trade setups, we are currently in trades for Bitcoin and Solana. Crypto news, member profits, hard all plays Forex signals analysis. We're currently in 3 Forex trades. So not only can you trade crypto, but as well as Forex for only $10 a month. All links are down below in the comment section. Please do check them out. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.